Unajua
thirikari ya bururi wa Sweden ni yambikite Tabarira ya mathomo ma kiwonjoria kuri Aikari a mwena wa Suswa na Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru iria kuhuthira makiria ma muigana wa shiringi milioni 800 kwa ihinda ria miaka 4. Aikari aya aria magumirwo ni uthondeki wa thitima ya riera iria yoikaine ta Geothermal nimekugunika na mathomo maya maria mekumahotithia kuruta wira na kambuni uthondeki wa thitima ino na kumaguna kimuturire.
We are very proud and we are very happy to support in this 4-year program, but we also hope that after this 4-year program there will still be a good partnership on the ground, both in Narok and Naikuru County, for the public and private and community partners to continue. So that we are also looking forward to, and we also see that this is an interesting model.
Agitogeria itashukia riri Paula Kempfors uria ni wa mbere gukorwo ari mwandiki munene ubarothi-ini wa bururi wa Sweden ni ugite Aikari a mwena uyu ni mekugunika undu umwe na kuhota kwiyaka kimuturire.
With skills development, it's so important that it's demand driven. That is demand driven from the market in terms of market opportunities, but also from the private sector in terms of employment opportunities.
Mwena-ini wake mutabania wa Tabarira cia thirikari guku bururi-ini Isaac Kiema ni ugite ni marikitie kwamukira kigina gia gutwarithia na mbere Tabarira ino, akiongerera kuga ministry ya githomo guku bururi-ini ni nyitite baru itashukia riri.
The project initially comes from the concept of what the geothermal or the power developers are doing, and this is out of where the community are saying that we want you to employ us, but the companies are saying that we don't have the skills from that particular community.
In Kenya, we find that the levels of literacy are very high in the ASAL regions, Masai being among them. And as government, therefore, we are encouraging partnerships, especially from the non-governmental organizations, the development partners, the NGOs, so that they can partner with national governments and county governments to ensure that we bring literacy to these populations.
Oho ni ugite thirikari ni irutite indo itiganite cia mathomo ma ngumbaru cia muigana wa shiringi milioni 1.5 kuri thukuru 15 mwena ucio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.